right? Upper lip, or lower labia. We have a lingual frenulum. That's the membrane that attaches the bottom of your tongue to the bottom of your mouth. And then let's go over to the teeth. We have the crown of the tooth and the root of the tooth. And then let's talk about the formula real quick. We have our two incisors, cuspids, also called the canine, two bicuspids, and the first molar, the second molar, and the third molar. Back to the anatomy of the tooth. So crown of the tooth, root of the tooth. Number 19 is your enamel. Number 20 is the dentin. This part right here is your pulp, or your pulp cavity. It's filled with blood vessels and nerves down the root canal and out the apical foramen, or in, depending on, but this is where they enter the tooth, right? Blood vessels and nerves enter the tooth through the apical foramen. The cementum is your 23. That's what keeps your tooth in place, and it is attached to the periodontal ligament, which is number 26. On top, the fleshy part here is your gingiva, and the alveolar bone is right here. You see the holes in it, very light. The salivary glands consist of the parotid gland over here, or parotid gland, and the duct, the submandibular gland, and the submandibular duct, and then there's also a sublingual gland that would be somewhere right here in its duct. They all secrete saliva, and the main ingredient of saliva is salivary amylase. It's an enzyme that helps with breaking down of starch. The esophagus is where the food goes to next. The esophagus consists of stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, can you